Nice. Sharp T. Nice shot. Good boy. Good boy. Dingo. Dingo. It's one of the cripples.
You think so?
Oh yeah. For sure. He would have flew. Yeah. Rooster! Nice. Oh. Shoot, shoot, shoot. I saw 3 for sure, 4. Oh, there's geese back there. Here. Find it. Dead bird. Find the bird. Chip. Chip. Dead bird. Find the bird. Good shooting. Here. Nice Gadwall.
How many fell? 4?
4.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna go look for those birds, if you see something, just shoot it.
Yeah.
She landed.
I got a dead one on the water.
Yeah, I'll send him out there. Here. Not yet. Heel. 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 Back. Well, those Gadwall definitely did it right.
Oh boy, did
Oh yeah.
Like they're known to do.
Took a single. Well,
What's this bird?
I don't know. It was dark. It might have been a gray duck.
Drop. Chip. Drop. What do we got? Yep.
Is it gray?
Yep. Oh no. Shoot.
What happened?
He dove. There he goes. I'll take your gun, Ken. Yeah. See if I can get above him here. Duck's getting tired.
one of them's gonna get tired. The duck is starting to get tired. You got it? Oh no. But look, he's getting close. Look at that duck. He's going lower and lower. Look in front. Nice.
Good boy. Oh, pretty much all landed back there. Definitely shootable. Well, if we get more passes like that, we'll shoot him.
These are gonna turn.
Nice. Back. Chip. Back. Dead bird. Find the bird. Got 2. Chip. Here. Chip, come. Come. Chip. Dead bird. Find the bird. Dead bird. Find the bird. Good boy. Here. Drop. Go. See ya. What you got? Oh, big gray duck. Nice one. Good boy, Chip. Good boy. Yeah. We got one more to find. We got one more to find. Mm-hmm. They've dropped a lot. They're swinging behind you. They're gray ducks too. Probably, maybe those are mallards above them. There's 4. I know I heard a mallard. Gonna have to make another pass. Maybe. Take him. Oh, too late.
Way too high.
Teal?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Boudreaux, did you see how fast that bird was swimming?
Yeah.
I did.
I mean, that was just a wonderful shot.
And listen, he was bombing and weaving.
Yeah. It wasn't like he was just swimming in a straight line.
Oh no, man! Look, his head was like a bomb. Oh yeah.
I think I could have caught both of them with a net. They came right by me.
He's gonna do a double.
I don't know, sometimes. Good boy.
And then
Find the bird. Chip, back. Back. Chip, back. No. He tried.
Yeah, I didn't have my mouth wide open enough.
Maybe he just wants the fun to last a little longer.
Maybe so. So there's still one behind us.
Yeah, it should. I'm gonna look at my camera and should be able to see where it landed. We got 12.
Oh really? Oh, what?
Yeah.
Y'all did some good shooting, boy.
Yeah, like you did.
Here.
These are definitely like
Good boy. Heel. They're greenies, yeah. Heel. Back.
Yeah. I think the green ones are the fastest ones too. And I was able to shoot that deer with one shot. In the head? I said, yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy.
What's that?
He was trying to get some pictures of the dog that going after the bird.
Surprising.
Mighty fine. You saw him though, huh, Boudreaux?
When you said that, I hollered.
Good boy. Good boy.
No, I think my gun was going off.
Chip. Back. Chip, heel. Heel. Back.
They were coming. Oh, they were gonna land.
I think that second one was doubled him.
Probably so.
They're Widgeon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And I could have swore that was two gray ducks.
Me too. I mean, they're younger Widgeons, so
Okay.
they look like gray ducks.
I think the other one drifted to the shore.
Yeah, he's in the shore. I can see him from here.
Chip. 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 Over.
Yeah, there you got it now.
Good boy.
Fast swimmers and two fast flyers.
Remember what you say is on video. That's all.
Good boy, Chip.
You put that up there.
Good boy. Here. Here. Good boy, Chip. I guess it's one widgeon and one gray duck.
Really?
Yeah. Weird.
Great. Together.
Pigeons.
Oh, killdeer. Or something like that.
Oh, I see that grouse now.
Yeah. Right on the hill. You see him, Ron? Look, he's shining in the sun.
There's a flock of ducks over him. Look at how they're sharp out the other end. Hawks chasing him.
Look at those.
Oh my gosh.
If they come over, I can take a shot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's some on the left here.
Oh, look right here. Look right here. On the left, Kenny. Little too far.
Little bit too small. Remember, there's always one or two left.
Yeah.
The other one's still sitting up there trying to decide what to do.
That's a good picture. Oh, boy.
That make you feel better?
Come on, get out.
Hey! Hey! Ow! Hey! I knew.
Oh no, he did get away.
Oh, look overhead. Look overhead.
Ringers.
Oh, yeah.
Those birds right there coming down.
Boy, it's gonna be
That's that big flock that landed here this morning. Chip. Chip.
I hope that's not on video.
Well, I can't see him, so not so bad. Sit. Sit.
I got the witness.
Gonna be over the top now, still high.
You got your spinners off too, yeah.
Thank you. Oh boy. Oh boy. This little fighter jets. They do that again, they might be in trouble here.
If they come this far, this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will.
Come on. Come on.
Pass those up. Alright, drop down.
Nice.
So I got a couple.
Got one.
Watch it in front.
I see 'em.
That was so pretty. 45 yards.
Oh,
Boy,
okay,
I
that's
do
you.
see a head.
See him?
Yeah.
Can you get him?
Might as well try.
No.
Ah, hit him.
Got a leg down.
Yeah. Oh,
He might.
we're gonna have to get that one later. He dropped just in that brush.
Yeah, he dropped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good boy, Chip. Good boy. Here. Here. Take him.
Catch him.
Right in the ass.
Huh?
Shot that duck right in the ass.
I.
First time or the second?
The second time. First time.
I missed his ass the first time.
That's gonna be a sweet video.
I got his ass, so didn't I?
You did.
Hey, Ron, stand up and look to the left. Just stand up slowly and look to the left. Keep looking. Keep looking.
Oh, shit. You see him, Boo-Boo? Amigo? Man, I gotta go get me some balls.
Good boy. Here, Chip. Here. Good boy. All right, Chip. Chip. Dead bird. Find the bird. Find the bird. Is he? Dead bird, Izzy. Found the bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Izzy. Good girl. That's a good little doggy. Good girl, Iz. Come on, Iz. Come on, Iz. Good girl. Good girl, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Isabel. This rooster, a little wet. And
Another hen. Hen!
bird up here. Good boy. Good boy. Tango. Tango. It's one of the cripples.
You think so?
Oh yeah. for sure. He would have flew. Yeah. Rooster! Nice. Yeah, look right here. Little blood on the wing there.
Yeah.
Good boy, Dingo.
The other one.
And he had a
The
buddy.
one that jump was a rooster also?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you go, they get too hot, they won't bring them back. Just stay there, Ken, we'll be right back. Just stay here, we'll be back. Good boy. Here you go, buddy. That's good. Ooh, stay. Stay. Funding. Saw one? Yeah. Rooster! Reload. I didn't see what the other ones were. There you go, in here. Hunt him up. Come on, Ding, hunt him up. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Dingo.
Good, good. Go to it, Ken.
Let me know if he gets them. Hey. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Drop. There you go. There you go. Get them feathered up. Goody. Here you go. There you go. Okay. Get him, Ding. 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 Find a bird, dead bird, find a bird. Get him, Ding. Dead bird, find a bird. Maybe? Yep. Nice. Good boy. Good boy, Dingo. Oh. Good boy. Come on. Here. Good boy. He got 2 huns. 2 with 1 shot. So I need to give him some water. Give him a little break here. Yeah. Oh, bud. Come on, Ding. Come on, Ding. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Ding. Good boy. Drop. Good boy. Whew. Good one. No. Big bird. Sharp T. Nice shot. Good boy. Yeah. He crawled into a little hole. Good boy. Hunt him up, Dingo. Oh. Shoot, shoot, shoot. That was crazy.
I couldn't see him.
Oh, there's another covey over there that got up. Yeah, you heard wings for so long before they...
And then I could just catch every once in a while.
Yeah, same for me. That was crazy. All partridge. Oh, I had it. Easy. Wonder if I get sometimes this works. Easy. Aha.
A true photographer. Adapted to the situation.
Those are good. Yeah, help them off that bale.
Okay.
Good boy, Dingo. Those are gonna be cool.